Hello everyone, welcome back to the Mobile City YouTube channel. In today's video, I will briefly discuss how to root an Android phone and the pros and cons of Android phone rooting. Let's start the video. Whether you're new to rooting or it's uncharted territory for you, rooting encompasses gaining deep-level access to the Android operating system. This allows for modifications such as altering build numbers, system information, and even adjusting certain built-in features of your device.
Rooting offers advantages but also brings disadvantages. After completing the root process, you can intervene externally, such as turning a smartphone running iOS into a Google interface, or installing fingerprint icons, changing the control center, or any modification on your device. For example, I have rooted my Realme GT, and after rooting, I was able to install features like the control center of OnePlus or deep interventions into the Android operating system. Additionally, gamers often root their devices for various reasons. Unable to access the banking app or VNI ID? There's a simple solution. Just add a hidden module. Full details on how to use these modules will be explained in an upcoming video. Stay tuned. Is rooting the device easy? Currently, there are many software options like Karner-Su, Magic, or Kitsune. Basically, they are rewritten versions of the same open-source app. To root, you need a file called boot.img. This file is a Kazner installation for the phone, but I won't go into detail as it's a technical term.